Here at Neli, we provide experts in virtual diagnosis, claim authorization, and dispatch of on-site technicians using our nationwide network. You can choose our entire suite of services, or just add the virtual diagnosis service to your current process. Our all-in-one claim process solution begins with the virtual diagnosis for your customer's claim in order to determine the cause of failure quickly with the same accuracy rate as an on-site diagnosis.
Hi, Mr. Dullahan. Let's take a look at the problem with your washing machine. Well, I see you have an error code. Resetting the board will fix the issue. I'll give you the code you need to enter.
10 to 20% of claims are solved during the virtual video chat diagnosis.
See, we were able to solve the problem without even sending someone out. Thank you for trusting us.
95% of warranty customers surveyed said the experience of working with their Neli virtual technician was overwhelmingly positive. Virtual diagnosis appointments are available same day, evenings, and weekends, 7 days a week to fit your customer's schedule. The Neli virtual diagnosis as a standalone service is only $50. 10 to 20% of claims are solved during the virtual diagnosis. During the virtual diagnosis, we will discover whether or not a claim is covered by your warranty company. Neli offers you a real-time claim status tracker for your customers. The tracker gives an explanation of each claim stage, so your customers know what to expect next and where their claim is in the process, significantly reducing incoming calls. As part of the all-in-one suite of services, Neli offers claim authorization determination for all your warranty claims. With our expert authorization and dispatch team, Neli can handle all or part of your claim authorization determinations, reducing the size of both your authorization and dispatch departments, dramatically reducing costs. With the Neli authorization service, you only pay per claim, so costs are proportionate to your claim value.
Yeah, let me check on those control board prices and look into the authorization of the claim.
Our Neli authorization team ensures you get the best prices on parts and labor. Our Neli authorization team talks with the on-site tech and considers unit replacement.
Based on the age of the unit and cause of the failure, we have determined the best solution is unit replacement.
The team then sends the diagnosed replacement part to the customer's home.
Due to the year of the dishwashing and policy, this is a covered claim. We'll be sending the part to the customer and dispatching the tech for install.
Neli uniquely offers a cost-effective customer self-repair solution. During all virtual diagnosis, our Neli techs determine if the repair is eligible for a customer self-repair. With this solution, the replacement part is sent to the customer's home and a virtual part installation walkthrough appointment is made with a Neli virtual tech.
We determine this claim is eligible for self-repair. The part will be sent to the customer and they'll be contacted to set up an appointment with the virtual technician.
Neli can provide you an employee portal to create and access claims and get real-time claim status updates with our claim status tracker. This process takes about 14 days to onboard your company after brand products are delivered. Rest assured, your Neli team will dispatch the right tech for the job with our vast network of on-site service providers in the trades you offer. An industry-standard background check is performed on each on-site technician in our nationwide network of over 12,000 on-site service providers. Our partners use the checker system, also used by Uber as well as Plus One. All servicers' licenses are verified. The background screenings process takes about 48 hours from submission of all required documents. For out-of-network claims, the out-of-network provider onboarding process takes approximately 48 to 72 hours when provided all required documents. Let's roll up some of the largest benefits the Neli solution offers you. Virtual diagnosis. Only pay per claim for the services you use so that your expenditures match your claim value. No paying employee costs or unemployment taxes. Avoid the wasted costs of seasonality, where sales are low but employee costs remain constant. There is no loss of revenue for employee vacation time. No family and medical leave costs. All these benefits together can add to millions in annual cost savings. A partnership with Neli allows you to process claims faster and more efficiently than other traditional home warranty companies. Your costs are proportionate to your claim volume, and you get expert claim processing and dispatch. All this puts you in total control of your operation costs. Partner with Neli. We can't wait to work together.